Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today is Monday, June 9th, and we are going to look at the SMH, the Semiconductors ETF, ticker symbol SMH. And I want to do some live technical analysis and show you guys kind of what I'm seeing in the charts and how this is shaping up. So let's start with drawing a resistance line from this pivot top high through this pivot top high, and look at what we came into today. Right there, and then we had a rejection. But wait, that's not it. I want to show you guys some other things. What also is that? That is a double top from this area here. So we have confluence right there, and obviously that makes sense as to why that rejected. But as I was looking at this, I also found this trend line here. So from this pivot top low to these lows right here, and look at that. So look at that convergence right there on that area right there at basically 250, it looks like 258, right? So now I want to do one more thing. I want to draw a fib and just see where that comes in. So you can see the fib takes us, yeah, so we're at the 0.786 fib. So we have all of that confluence right there. I want to call that X marks the spot, right? That's pretty strong resistance, and for a good reason, right? We have all of these converging factors right there. Look at that. Price went right into it today and rejected right off it to form kind of this inverted hammer candle, if you will, off of this move up, right? So, and look at this move up from here all the way, pullback, bullish consolidation, and then boom, into that. So that was one of the reasons, obviously the reason, I took a short on the SMH today. I did it via SOX, S-O-X-S, which is a 2x inverse to the SMH, and that's a good one for playing short-term volatility in the name, you know, if we're thinking of a thing's going to come back. So I took a pretty aggressive position in that. If it pops through tomorrow, and again, I think this is such strong resistance that if it goes through tomorrow, it likely will wick back down again and close underneath. This is massive resistance. I mean, this is what you call a 4-factor trade, which puts our percentages at 80% win rate or even better. And we even have bearish divergence on the RSI. You can see the lower lows forming here. It hasn't curled over yet, so it's not confirmed divergence, but it looks like it's forming because look at this. You have this high, you have this high on the price, then we make this high, and we have this high and this low. So again, like you can see here, that's what we call bearish divergence, right? You have a lower highs on the RSI and then higher highs on the price. So for these factors, I think SMH is a fantastic short. Can it get through here? Can we wick above? Could we even get a close above and freak some people out? Sure, of course. But I think this is going to prove to be very, very strong resistance. So for me, I always go into every trade thinking that it might fail and I might have to have another level. So, you know, this is a gap fill right here, right? So if it was to continue to rally, this would be my next add up in this level. And again, it wouldn't be a confirmed move until we have a close above those trends line close and then a confirming close. So, you know, they might try to fake them out. I think this could be what we call a bull trap. So we'll see how it plays out over the coming days. But I think this is an amazing level to get into a short. I did it myself. Again, no financial advice will be given on this channel. However, it is strictly for educational purposes and to share with you the things that I'm doing in my personal portfolio, my trading strategy, and to just teach and educate along the way. So hopefully you guys saw value in this analysis, and if you did, please smash that like button, show some love, tick that bell, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be bringing you analysis like this day in and day out consistently. This is a new channel, so every little bit of the love that you guys share with those likes and comments and all that, it factors into the algorithms, and it's going to keep me doing this. So if you like the analysis, show that love, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye.